Friends, today we are going to discuss corporate strategic planning in learning. Strategy is derived from Greek word stratagos, meaning art and science of directing military or general forces. It is also a systematic plan of action to defend one or to defeat rivals. Some of the definitions of strategy are as given below. So the definitions, we'll take a look at it right now. Clausewitz in 1820 has defined strategy as the art of employment of battles as a means to gain objects of the war. In 1960, Chandler has defined strategy as a master plan determining long-term goals of an enterprise. Mintzberg has also defined strategy. So he has defined strategy as a mediating force between organization and environment. Norman, who is also another well-known personality, has defined strategy as an art of creating value. Porter also has defined strategy, and he has told that strategy is a deliberating or is deliberately choosing different set of activities and delivers a mix of values. Corporate strategy deals with how companies create values for its different business. It asks how the corporation can add value over and above the value of a particular business unit in a corporation which has created itself a lot of different value system. Value addition happens in a corporation by creating a set of resources, craft the business portfolio, and design organizational structure, systems, and functions, and shares activities or transfer skills across the businesses. Next, we'll take a look at planning. Strategic planning involves all activities where one wishes to be in the future and the ways that are meant to take one person there or how one plans to get there. So it's all about planning to see how a person gets to a particular position in the future. Management planning, on the other hand, is the process of assessing goals and creating a detailed and realistic plan of action for meeting such goals. Similar to writing a business plan, a management plan takes into account short-term and long-term corporate strategies. Next, we'll take a look at corporate strategic planning. Corporate strategic planning is the process of determining goals to be achieved in a foreseeable future. It is made up of management's fundamental assumptions about future economic, technological, and competitive environments. Setting of goals to be achieved in a particular time frame. It's also based on SWOT analysis. SWOT, you may know, it is strength, weakness, opportunities, and threat analysis. It's a management technique. Selecting main and alternate strategies to achieve the goals. That is also one of the process which is defined under strategic planning, in particular corporate strategic planning. And corporate strategic planning also involves formulating, implementing, and monitoring the operational and tactical plans to achieve interim objectives. Next, we'll consider what is vision and mission. Vision and mission are applicable to the organizational context. So what is in fact vision? Vision helps one to create a mental picture of one's target and could be an outcome of a project or goal. Vision statement spans 5 to 10 years of the outcome of a project or goal. The summary of a vision statement should lie in a phrase. So there is always some key phrases which sums up what a vision statement looks like for an organization. Vision also serves the purpose of stating what an organization wants to achieve in the long term. Vision statement describes the desired future position of the company. Some of the eminent personalities who has defined vision includes John Kotter, who has defined vision as the statement of the organization in the future. Alex Miller and Gregory Dess also has defined vision as a category of intention that is broad, all-inclusive, and forward-thinking. Mission, on the other hand, is a statement of a company's purpose with respect to a society and is the fundamental reason for the existing of the organization. The mission statement glorifies what business the company is in and what its customer needs are. So fundamentally, mission relates to an organization with respect to the society to which it is a part of, or to which the functioning of the organization is very important, or the society the organization serves.